Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free AI image generation API. That gives you up to 100,000 image generations every single day. To get started, you'll need a Cloudflare account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up using your email and a strong password. Once you've signed up, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Then go to Workers and Pages under the Compute section. Next, click on Start with Hello World. If you already have code in a repo, you can also import it from there, but for now, we'll use the Hello World template. Give your worker a good name. This name will appear in your API call URL, so choose something clear and relevant. Once that's done, click Deploy. It may take a few moments. After deployment, click Continue to Project. Now, we'll add the API key and connect Worker AI to the project. To do this, go to Settings. Under Variables and Secrets, click Add. Set the type to Secret, and for the variable name, API_K in all uppercase letters. For the value, enter whatever API key you want to use for your AI API calls. Then, click Deploy again. Next, we'll connect Worker AI to the project. Go to Bindings. Click Add, then scroll down and select Worker AI. Give it the variable name AI, again in uppercase, then click Deploy. Finally, click on the Edit Code button. You'll see the default Hello World template. Remove all of it, and we'll replace it with custom code that I'll explain in just a moment. I'll also leave a GitHub link in the video description, so you can copy and paste it easily. Let's break down the code from top to bottom. It starts with a function that handles incoming API requests. The first few lines grab your secret API key, the request URL, and the authorization header. Then, there's a simple check to see if the API key matches. If not, it returns an unauthorized error. After that, it only allows post requests to the root path and blocks anything else. The code then reads the prompt from the request body and checks if it exists. If it's missing, it returns an error. Now comes the image generation part. The code calls Worker AI to generate an image, passing model name and prompt from user. There are also other models available that you can try. You can experiment with all of them to see what works best for your use case. Once the image is generated, it returns it as a JPEG response. If there's any issue during the process, it sends an error message. And finally, there's a helper function at the bottom that makes it easy to send JSON response with correct headers. Now, all you need to do is copy the code, paste it into the Cloudflare code editor, and click Deploy. That's it, your AI image generation API is ready to use. If you reload the preview panel now, you'll see an unauthorized access message, and that's expected because we're not sending any API key when accessing the preview. Now, I'll show you a quick demo using a curl command and a fetch request from the browser console. First, let's test the API using a curl command in terminal or command prompt. You'll also find these commands in my GitHub repo. In the command, just replace the part where it says your worker name and subdomain with the actual values from your Cloudflare setup. Also, update the secret API key with the one you set earlier. Once you run it, the request will be sent with a sample prompt, and the generated image will be saved to your computer automatically. And there it is, the cute robot we asked for. It looks amazing, especially considering how short and simple the prompt was. Let's try a different prompt. A monkey riding a bike. I know, I'm super creative, please don't laugh. Now let's try making a request using JavaScript fetch from the browser console. Just like before, replace your worker name, subdomain, and secret API key with your actual values. The prompt we're using here is a futuristic city in the clouds. Once the request runs, the image will be generated. Alright, I'm getting creative again. This time, the prompt is a hacker boy. Let's see what we get. The result looks amazing, and you're getting all of this completely free. You can use it in so many ways. Honestly, the only limit is your imagination. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next.